Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Business operators in the manufacturing and distribution sectors who are clients of the Factories Corporation of Jamaica FCJ are set to benefit from policies to help them cope during the COVID-19 pandemic. The FCJ says the fiscal measures are geared towards balancing the concerns of clients while maintaining fiscal prudence. More from Andrew Laidley.
Players in the manufacturing and distribution sectors have been experiencing some kind of disruption in their operations as the economy feels the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. That's why the FCJ is making special provisions to help its clients cope during this period. Effective immediately, there will be no rental and maintenance increases applied for the next 6 months. The agency is also delaying rent for companies that have experienced significant decline in business. This delay, which takes the form of a moratorium, will be for a 3-month period starting April 1. FCJ says the moratorium will be reviewed at the end of May to determine if a further extension is needed. But there are conditions. Companies must submit a written request to the Client Service Department to access this benefit. In the meantime, special consideration will be given for those who request a payment holiday on rent only for 1 or 2 months. The FCJ has also committed to offer faster formulation of payment plan arrangements for clients not on an existing scheme. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.99, the Canadian dollar $97.91. The pound sterling is going for $168.75, while the euro is being sold for $147.93. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 3,004 points today, while the junior market index is up by 46 points. Among the winners, 1834 Investments, Key Insurance, Consolidated Bakeries, Supreme Ventures, and iCreate. On the losing side were T-Tech, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Stationery and Office Supplies, Jamaican Teas, and 138 Student Living. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.